everyone, we recently switched over to a different chat and ticketing system. These are the steps that you'll need to take to get set up so that you can access the new customer portal. First, log into your account. On the clusters page, you will see a new support button beneath your list of clusters. When you click the support button, you'll see a drop-down menu with 4 links: Customer Portal, Chat with Support, Submit a Ticket, and Production Downtime. You'll notice that the Customer Portal link is inactive and gray. This is because the user in this example has not been set up on our new ticketing system yet. To get set up on and have access to the Customer Portal, all you need to do is submit a ticket to us. This will need to be done for everybody who is on your Qbox account. You can send an arbitrary support ticket to gain access, or just wait until you have an issue and need to submit a ticket. This will then grant you access to the Customer Portal. First, you can click on the Submit a Ticket link, which will take you to the ticket submission page. You can get access to this page through the link we just showed you or from the support page. Fill in the form to submit a ticket. In this example, we'll call this a test ticket. Then we'll add a cluster. Next, we'll need to select our request type. We changed our request type, so now you will see a drop-down with the following options. Technical support, which is for all technical questions other than clusters being down. Production downtime. If you're having cluster issues, whether it's red or you can't connect, select production downtime. This will notify us and give our support team a call so we can resolve the issue. Billing questions. If you have any issues with invoices, payment methods, or your billing, you can use the billing questions option to contact us. Suggest new feature. Finally, if you have any ideas or features that you would like for us to add in Qbox, you can select the Suggest New Feature option. Now I'll go ahead and pick Technical Support and add a little description. Then click Submit. Now you'll be set up on our Jira Service Desk and have access to the Customer Portal. Okay, once the ticket has been successfully submitted, you'll be taken back to the dashboard where you'll see a few notifications pop up on the top of your screen. The green notification is to confirm that your ticket was submitted and received. The yellow notification will only appear the first time you submit a ticket with our new ticketing system. It notifies you to visit the Customer Portal and reset your password. The blue notification directs you to the Customer Portal, which can be found by clicking on the Support button and selecting Customer Portal in the drop-down list. You might remember that previously the Customer Portal was gray and not accessible because you still needed to submit a ticket to get access. But now that you have successfully submitted a new ticket, you can click on the Customer Portal link. This will bring you to the login screen where you can type in your Qbox account email. Click Next and then select Forgot Password. This will send a link to your email so that you can reset your password. Once you've done that, you'll be taken back to the Customer Portal, where you can type in your new password. Click Confirm and you now have access to the Customer Portal. Now that you're in the Customer Portal, you can do lots of things. If you would like to review and chat on active tickets, click on the Request button in the top right corner of your screen. Select Created by Me and then on the ticket. Now you'll see all of the latest information about your ticket, including comments and its status. For any tickets you submit, you will also receive an email. You can reply to the email or in the portal to make comments on that ticket. And that's all you need to do to get set up on the Customer Portal. We also added a new feature to Chat with Support. To use this, all you need to do is click on the Chat with Support under the Support dropdown. This will open a chat window where you'll need to fill in your first and last name, your Qbox account email, the cluster name, and of course, your question. Click Submit and this will start a chat with us. Back on your dashboard, we also added a Support Chat button in the bottom right corner of your screen, so you can also click on this to launch the chat window. Finally, since we don't allow you to submit cluster issues through chat anymore, we have created a new link dedicated to production downtime right here under Support. This should only be used if you are experiencing cluster issues such as not being able to connect to the cluster or your website is down because of the cluster. All you need to do is add a summary of your issue, select the cluster experiencing problems, and then write a detailed description of the issue with any questions you might have. Then click Submit. Our support team will get a call alerting them to your production downtime and will be in touch with you shortly. This dashboard screen can be viewed by anyone, including our Classic and Rackspace customers. However, if you are a Supergiant AWS customer, we did add the exact same drop-down and links under Manage, so you don't have to navigate away from your cluster page. We hope this video has helped you better understand our new ticketing and support system. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.